Yeah, man. Got the MPC all torn up. Get ready to fix the board right here. Little soldering point. Got it broke down into pieces. There go the cover, lid, chassis, memory and everything's underneath there. We'll go ahead and desolder this point here on the board for a connector, cursor switch connector. Right there.